So can I have an independent contractor sign a non-compete? It depends. Generally speaking, a non-compete between a company and an independent contractor would be enforceable to the same degree as it would be between a company and an employee. In other words, whether you can enforce your non-compete with a contractor would depend upon state law and the extent to which your state recognizes and enforces non-compete agreements. In California, for example, non-competes are prohibited and therefore unenforceable under all circumstances. In Pennsylvania, non-competes are somewhat frowned upon, but they're generally enforceable if their purpose and the restrictions that they place on the employee are reasonable. Enforceability aside, you have to be extra careful about having independent contractors sign non-compete agreements because it calls into question their status as independent professionals. As I've stated in a previous video, just because you say someone is an independent contractor doesn't necessarily make it so. If your relationship with that contractor is ever called into question by a government entity, the fact that you had them sign a non-compete is going to make it very difficult to prove that they're not an employee. Generally speaking, companies should avoid having their contractors sign non-competes. But if it's unavoidable, contact a professional who can help you do it right, because this is information and not advice. Catch you next time.